Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Ever since I was a teenager, I've always loved second-hand shops and car boot sales. I love rummaging around among other people's junk, trying to pick up a bargain or trying to find some unusual piece of vintage clothing or some old records or old books or old furniture. I love the idea of finding things that are unique and that no one else has. The problem for me when it comes to clothes is I'm quite tall. I'm 6'4", which is 1m93, I believe. And basically, it's very, very rare for me to find things that actually fit me. So when I do find things that fit me, like last week when I found a lovely winter coat in a local charity shop, I basically snap them up on the spot. I snap them up there and then. If you snap things up, you buy them or you get them as soon as you possibly can because you really, really want them. We often talk about bargains or tickets being snapped up very quickly. So you might hear something like, yeah, we didn't get to the sales until 10 o'clock. And by that point, most of the best bargains had already been snapped up. Or, I couldn't get hold of any tickets. The tickets were all snapped up within the first 3 hours of going on sale. It can also be people who are snapped up by companies. If you go out looking for a job and you're good, you might get snapped up very quickly. So maybe you go out looking for a job and you're snapped up by a large law firm on the first day of looking. Congratulations, that's very good for you. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about things that you've snapped up or things that you couldn't get because they'd been snapped up already.